Okay guys, this is day 14, which means this has officially been 2 weeks of me knitting on this sweater, which is really crazy that I'm only here and it's been 2 weeks. But you know, this is what happens when I don't have a challenge and I'm just vibing, not prioritizing it, and all of the above. So I finished the German short rows on both of the sleeves. So today's goal is to finish the color work. Is to finish the color work on both sleeves, and then I'll stop there so that tomorrow when I come to knit, I'm just knitting on the stockinette portion and that's it. So I want to knock out that color work on both sleeves and be done with that so that I can really zoom tomorrow. And then on this is day 14, I'll finish the color work. I'll be done on day 16 with this sweater for sure. Maybe 15. No, I'm lying. That's tomorrow. I'm lying. Day 16, I'm going to be done. 100,000%. I'm ready to be done. Not because I'm tired of knitting, but I'm ready for a new project. So, let's get it. Guys, I finished it and it's literally 10:35. I finished both. Oh my god, it looks so good. I'm actually gonna try this on because this looks so cool. Are you serious? Anyway, I finished the color work for both sleeves. I wanted to knock this out because imagine I do this whole sleeve and then I have to come back to this sleeve and pick up stitches, then do German short rows, then do the color work before the stockinette part. Absolutely absolutely not. So I'm really happy that I knocked this out and it was very easy. I just had to make sure I was doing it right. But let me try this on so I can see how it looks. Ooh, look, it looks like I have it on. Anyway, let me try this on and show you guys what it looks like. Guys, this is what it looks like I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did this. This is 7 minutes for 360, 180.
Did you turn all the way around?
Yes.
Right. What is it?
That is 360.
Wow,
The question has comics?
Shh, my son. Anyway, I'm obsessed. The color, the color work. I love the colors that my sisters chose.
I was like, you chose it. Yeah, we got out for you. Don't lie.
I wasn't gonna lie, guys. I tell
You
the
have to take
truth. No, listen. Anyway, they kind of ate with this color choice. I've been wanting a gray. What? I've been wanting a gray sweater for so long. I've been wanting a gray sweater for so long, and this kind of reminds me of the poppy tea because I knitted my poppy tea. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful tea. And then I washed it, and it felted. And that was my favorite knit piece I ever created, and now it's gone. So this is definitely bringing back the poppy tea vibes, but in a sweater, which is better. And then with color work, yeah, I'm never taking this off. And then the length, like it's when it
The length? Did you wash it and dry it?
I don't know what I did. I don't even know how I got in my laundry. Anyway, but I'm obsessed. I'm literally always going to be wearing this. Like, yeah, anyway, this is it. I'm going to zoom. I'm going to finish one sleeve tomorrow for sure because it's just stockinette. Regular stockinette. Like, that's so easy. And then the next day, I'm going to finish this sleeve. So by day 16, I'm done. I'm done with this completely. So that's it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. This is day 15 of me knitting the Care Sweater by the Crayabea, and I finished the color work for both sleeves. We all know that. This is how it looks. So now my goal is just to finish one entire sleeve today. I'm just knitting regular stockinette. Okay, I was looking at me. I'm just doing stockinette. So easy. All I have to do is knit. Like, I don't have to do this. I don't have to do that. I don't have to do that. I don't have to do any crazy thing. Like, literally just knit stockinette. When I tell you guys, I'm so happy that I just decided to knock out the German short rows, knock out the color work, and now I'm just left with stockinette. Like, I can do that in my sleep now. That's still dangerous because of the fact that I can do it in my sleep, which means I can be lazy with it, but that's not going to be the case today. Like, literally, my goal is to finish. No, I will finish this sleeve.
Oh, I was like, no.
This sleeve today, so that day 16, I finish the sleeve tomorrow, and I am done. I'm blocking it, all that stuff. So today, we're doing this. I'm doing this. Like, that's it. So by the end of this video, I'm not lying this time, guys. I swear. Like, usually I lie with my goals. I know. But I'm not lying this time. I am 100% finishing this. If it's the last thing I do, let's get it. Guys, I finished the sleeve like I said I would. It looks like this. It looks so good. I finished last night, but I didn't feel like filming anything last night. But this is it. I'm so excited to finish it and actually block it and then wear it, because this is probably my favorite sweater I've ever knitted ever. Like, this is like the perfect sweater, from the way it fits to the way the sleeve tapers, which was an accident. But I love it. But I'm excited to start this sleeve tomorrow, technically today. But this is it for this video. I told you guys, I'm not finishing this video until I finish this sleeve. I was not lying about that goal. Like, I had to finish this sleeve. Like, I had to. So I'm super happy I did. Anyway, that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.